move to next VD. VD has a question: Infinia versus HSBC Premier versus M4B. Which would you choose after this devaluation? Does HSBC T1 make sense to cover ACCOR? So first, let me answer the second part. Yes, HSBC Travel One makes real sense to take now. If you are a ACCOR fan, ACCOR loyalist, and wants to use all your reward points for ACCOR. Simple hai. You think of using that 18,000 ka quota for your hotel and flight booking. Whatever reward points you collect, use for ACCOR redemption. First thing. Second, with this card, you get one airport transfer in 1 quarter. So basically, if you're taking 4 flights, 4 trips can be done in a year, which itself will cover the fees of this card. So basically, you're not paying anything. And obviously, the loaded benefits are plus on this card. So someone looking for ACCOR, which Atlas was an ACCOR card. Now HSBC Travel One is a truly ACCOR card. Please switch to that. Now coming to your main question, which premium card to be used? First thing, Infinia, HSBC Premier, M4B. You see one important thing, all 3 required TRVs from this year onwards. Infinia, as they have communicated, 50 lakhs is required. HSBC Premier, another 50 lakhs is required. M4B is another 30 lakhs required. So if you have 1 crore 30 lakhs, you can take all 3 cards. But if you have 80 lakhs, you can take 2 cards. And if you have 30 or 50 lakhs, you take 1 card. That's the way to look into it. Now, someone has to select only 1 card out of 3, given 30-50 lakhs as a TRV. I believe M4B still makes sense. Someone needs to think of their spends at this case, because आपके खर्चे कितने उसके ऊपर पूरा डिफाइन होगा. अगर आपके खर्चे 10-12 लाख है, then I would rather go with Infinia or HSBC Premier than M4B, because M4B will make sense only when you have crossing 2 to 3 lakhs in a month as a spend when you are on AEP. When you say AEP, Accelerated Edge Reward Program, तब उसका major benefit आने वाला है. Otherwise, that card will not give you any kind of a benefit if you have only 10, 12, 15 lakh spends and average spend monthly is 1.5 lakh. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind. Whereas Infinia will give you points on almost all categories excluding government, but you have milestone benefit. You will get reward points under Smart Buy also, which you can use for hotels and flight booking. And similarly, HSBC Premier also has the reward portal. I would rather go with HSBC Premier over Infinia, just to put into perspective, because it gives points on tax, it gives points on jewelry till 1 lakh rupee, which Infinia also gives, but with no capping. But HSBC Premier will be over Infinia for me for sure. But however, if you have more spends, you can think of M4B. M4B का भी गेम डिफरेंट हो गया. ठीक है, पहले लोग सोचते थे मैं ACCOR में डाल दूंगा, मेरा काम हो गया, I'll redeem and go and burn in ACCOR. Now the strategy is here to learn about airlines, which is a beautiful world itself. You can start with Air India, जो a homegrown airlines hai. You look at certain domestic redemption. You can look at then international redemption. If folks who have joined us for the Axis session have not seen our Air India session, I would recommend you go and watch. We have covered some amazing redemption which you can score with Air India with recent changes. Like, for example, Mauritius. Bombay to Mauritius is now 12,000 points one way per person under economy class. Now just imagine if someone who has been thinking to travel to Mauritius, जिसकी revenue rate per ticket 40,000 rupees होती है on like non-peak season, with Air India coming in 12 plus 12, 24,000 and plus taxes of somewhere 6 to 7,000, 7,000 average you can take it. You're getting a ticket of around 30,000 rupees of Mauritius, whereas 40,000 you pay on revenue. So you're getting a more than 1.3 rupee as a value in Air India also. That's one way to look into it. Second, ITC hai. If you don't understand outside India, you can look at India ITC, where if you transfer to ITC, green points you will get. The value of green points is 1:1. Basically, you get 1 rupee value of 1 green point. Then you can look at some of the amazing hotels what we have in India under ITC brand. Postcard is now included. Again, that's again a luxury side. We will try to cover postcard soon, because both now Amex as well as Axis are covering postcard. And somewhere like I was reading about it, they have anytime breakfast option also. If someone who is like want to have a very relaxing kind of a vacation, they can look at postcard also. So the game has changed, and I personally believe if you have high spend, M4B is the best option. But if you have low spends and like a equal kind of spends every month, can do 15-20 lakh spends annually, HSBC Premier is the card to go.